Techmenot, and today we're going to be unboxing this headphone. It's a professional gaming headphone. It's called Model K-1B. So we'll see what we get inside it and how the quality of this is. So this is when you open the box. We see the packaging is really nice. It's got bubble wrap. And then, yeah, so first came out of the box is a cord, and then there's also basically like a little instructions manual. Probably has some information about the warranty as well. So yeah, this is just basically descriptions of what the headphone is about. And yeah, we'll get back to that later, but first let's unbox the headphones. So this is what the headphone looks like in hand. The mic you can move around anywhere, right? And this also moves, whether you want to move it closer or further from your mouth. And then, yep, there's also a marking for left and then as well as right. So these also can extend downwards like that, and as such. Alright, the build quality seems decent. They have pretty much a good flex to them, right? And then they're also wired, and the wired also has a little controller for how much volume you can take, and there's an on and off button for the mic. So the wire is braided, so it is pretty strong. And then they also give you an option to whether you want to connect it from a USB. So whether you're plugging this straight into a PC with your 2 pins, or you can simply just run it through the aux as such, like that. Yep, the aux cable is also pretty strong. Doesn't look like it's gonna break easy. And yeah, these are over-ear headphones, so they're gonna fit over your ear, and they're gonna be giving you a pretty good seal in terms of sound isolation. And there's also padding on the top, which is pretty soft actually. Yeah. Alright, so this would be the end of the video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and as well as share this video. Thank you. Goodbye.